Applications. So this time we will discuss about several application problems. So number one, the sum of two consecutive number is 223. So now we need to know what consecutive number means. So when we talk about count number, we always say 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. When you define number 2 based on number 1, this is always one value more than number 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. The same way, 3 also, 2 plus 1 become 3. 4 also, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Like this, right next number is always one more than the previous number. That we just call consecutive number. So, if we set up one number is x, then the other one must be x plus 1. So like we just confirmed, 2 equal to 1 plus 1, 3 equal to 2 plus 1, 4 equal to 3 plus 1, like that. So if the first one is x, then next one must be x plus 1. Their sum become 223. So we can set up x plus 1 equal to 223. Now open the parentheses. So x plus 1 equal to 223. Combine like term, then 2x plus 1 equal to 223. Now isolate the variable term. So subtract 1, then 2x becomes 222, right? So last step, you divide by its coefficient, then x equal to 111 basically. Okay? Then this question asks you find two numbers. So now we find first number here. So next number must be 1, 1, 12. So 111 and 112, that will be the answer for this problem. Okay. So second question here. So somehow it incorrectly marked here, so I'm going to fix it. So one number is 3 less than another. Their sum is 21. Find the numbers. Okay. Now we have very important phrase for this question here. So which is less than. Especially I'm going to highlight more than. Okay. Whenever you see than, like a more than, less than, fewer than, greater than, something like this, then this word always make reverse order here. So 3 less than, which means minus 3. That's what this means. Not 3 minus. You must write minus 3. Okay. So I'm gonna set up this first. One number is 3 less than another. So now we see we have two different numbers. So I'm gonna set up one number which is y equal to 3 less than another. So x minus 3. You may think why not x equal to y minus 3. That's totally fine. I just feel like I'm gonna set up y equal to x minus 3. That's it. Now, second part, their sum is 21. So I define two numbers x and y, so I can make x plus y equal to 21. But now, based on the first sentence, we defined y equal to x minus 3. So you replace this value into y here. Then this equation will be based on x value. So this becomes x plus x minus 3 equal to 21. Like previous question, we open the parenthesis now. So x plus x minus 3 equal 21. Now combine like terms, so 2x minus 3 equal 21. So now isolate the variable term, so I combine 3. Then this becomes 2x equal to 24. So last step, you divide by 2. Then x equal to 12. Okay? Now, because this question asked you find two numbers, so now you replace this one into here, then we can find y value. So y equal to 12 minus 3, which is 9. So answer is 9 and 12. That will be the answer for this problem.